the tech world has been buzzing with unprecedented excitement as the first fully AI-powered operating system has just been released, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. This groundbreaking development marks a significant leap forward in how we interact with technology, blurring the lines between human and machine intelligence in ways previously imagined only in science fiction. The new AI OS, developed by a team of visionary engineers and data scientists, is designed to be self-learning, adaptive, and capable of understanding and anticipating user needs with astonishing accuracy. Unlike traditional operating systems that rely on predefined commands and static interfaces, this AI-driven platform operates dynamically, continuously evolving based on user behavior, preferences, and even emotional cues. The system leverages advanced neural networks, natural language processing, and machine learning algorithms to create a seamless, intuitive experience that feels almost human. From the moment you boot it up, the AI OS greets you with a personalized interface tailored to your habits, offering suggestions and automating tasks before you even realize you need them. Imagine waking up to an OS that has already prepared your morning schedule, prioritized your emails, and even adjusted your smart home settings based on your routine, all without explicit instructions. The level of autonomy and intelligence embedded in this system is what sets it apart from anything we've seen before, making it feel less like a tool and more like a digital companion. One of the most jaw-dropping features is its ability to understand context and intent at a depth that rivals human cognition. For instance, if you're working on a project and mention a need for research, the AI OS can scour the internet, compile relevant data, and present it in a digestible format, all in real time. It doesn't just execute commands, it thinks ahead, offering solutions to problems you haven't even encountered yet. This predictive capability is powered by its massive dataset and ability to analyze patterns across millions of user interactions, enabling it to make eerily accurate assumptions about what you'll need next. The OS also excels in multitasking, managing multiple workflows simultaneously without any lag or drop in performance. Whether you're editing videos, running complex simulations, or juggling dozens of browser tabs, the AI optimizes resources in the background to ensure everything runs smoothly. Gamers, in particular, will be thrilled by the system's ability to dynamically adjust graphics settings, allocate processing power, and even suggest in-game strategies based on real-time performance metrics. But what truly makes this AI OS overpowered is its emotional intelligence. Using advanced sentiment analysis, it can detect frustration, stress, or fatigue from your voice, typing speed, or even facial expressions if you're using a camera. If it senses you're overwhelmed, it might suggest a break, play calming music, or streamline your workload by automating repetitive tasks. This level of empathy in a machine is unprecedented and could redefine how we approach mental health and productivity in the digital age. Security is another area where this OS shines. Traditional security measures often rely on passwords, firewalls, and two-factor authentication, but the AI OS takes a radically different approach. It uses biometric data, behavioral patterns, and continuous authentication to ensure that only you can access your system. If it detects unusual activity, like someone trying to log in from a new device or at an odd hour, it can challenge the user with context-based questions or even lock down sensitive data autonomously. The system is also capable of self-patching vulnerabilities, learning from cyber threats in real time to fortify its defenses without needing manual updates. Developers are raving about the OS's open architecture, which allows for unparalleled customization. Unlike closed ecosystems that restrict third-party integrations, this platform encourages developers to build AI-driven apps that can seamlessly communicate with the core system. Imagine an AI-powered photo editor that learns your editing style over time, or a fitness app that adjusts your workout plan based on your progress, energy levels, and even dietary habits. The possibilities are endless, and the OS's ability to integrate and synergize with these apps creates a cohesive ecosystem that feels alive. The impact of this AI OS extends beyond individual users. It's poised to transform industries. In healthcare, for example, it could assist doctors by analyzing patient data, suggesting diagnoses, and even predicting potential health risks based on historical trends. Educators could use it to create personalized learning plans for students, adapting in real time to their strengths and weaknesses. Businesses could leverage its analytical prowess to optimize supply chains, predict market trends, and automate customer service with AI agents that understand and resolve issues without human intervention. The entertainment industry isn't left out either. The OS could curate personalized content recommendations, generate music or art based on your tastes, or even help filmmakers edit scenes by understanding narrative flow and emotional beats. However, with such immense power comes ethical considerations. The idea of an OS that knows us better than we know ourselves raises questions about privacy, data security, and the potential for misuse. How much autonomy are we willing to grant an AI? Who owns the data it collects, and how transparent is its decision-making process? The developers have addressed some of these concerns by implementing robust privacy controls, allowing users to dictate what data is shared and how it's used. But as with any transformative technology, the long-term implications will require ongoing dialogue and regulation to ensure it benefits humanity without compromising our values. Despite these challenges, the arrival of this AI OS heralds a new era in computing. It's not just an incremental upgrade, it's a paradigm shift that redefines what an operating system can be. The sheer speed at which it processes information, the depth of its understanding, and its ability to adapt on the fly make it feel like something out of a futuristic utopia. Early adopters who've had hands-on experience describe it as mind-blowing and addictive, noting how quickly they've come to rely on its insights and automation. Critics argue that such reliance could make us lazy or overly dependent on machines, but proponents counter that by offloading mundane tasks to AI, we free up mental space for creativity and innovation. The AI OS isn't just a tool, it's a collaborator, enhancing human potential rather than replacing it. As word spreads and more users migrate to this platform, it's clear that the tech landscape will never be the same. Competing companies are already scrambling to catch up, but the head start this OS has, combined with its self-improving nature, means it could dominate the market for years to come. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or a skeptic, one thing is undeniable. The future of computing has arrived, and it's shockingly overpowered.